Dr. Emma has a dilemma. Math rocks!
Today, we will be talking about one of the greatest mathematicians of all time, Leonardo Pisa, but you can call him Fibonacci. We will take a closer look at his early life, his theories, and most importantly, his legacy. So join me on this adventure as we learn more about this great man. Leonardo of Pisa, or better known as Fibonacci, was born in 1170 C. He died at the age of 80 in 1250 C. Fibonacci was born in Italy but educated in North Africa because his father had a diplomatic post. In Africa, his father taught him basic math until he became a more advanced level. Fibonacci ended his traveling in around 1200 BC, and that's when he started to come up with his sequence. Hi class!
Hi, Dr. Emma!
This week on Math Rocks, we're going to be learning about one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. Who can guess who that is? Anna, you want to try?
Is it Pythagoras?
No. Yeah?
No, it's Fibonacci.
No. Anna, you want to try again?
I don't know.
It is Fibonacci. Alright, who can tell me something about Fibonacci? Do any of you guys know anything? Yes, Maddie?
He has a sequence?
Yeah. Okay. Who knows Fibonacci's sequence? Yes, Anna?
It's 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and you can go on.
Good job, Anna.
Thank you.
Alright. Does anyone have any questions about his sequence? Yes, Anna?
Why do we need to know this? It's not really relevant in our lives.
Well, meet my cat Fibonacci. Just kidding. His name is Sawyer. But my point is, Fibonacci is everywhere. He's in the trees, he's in the ground, he's in the pine cones, he's in the flowers, he's in the rabbits. He's everywhere.
The seed pods on a pine cone are always arranged in a spiral pattern. While one of them goes downwards, there's another spiral actually going upwards. If you count the seed pods between the two spirals, you will actually get two consecutive Fibonacci numbers.
Another place you could find Fibonacci sequence in is in pineapples. As you go along the spirals of a pineapple, once you get to the top, it will end in a number of Fibonacci sequence. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See? It ended in 13, which is a number of Fibonacci sequence. Here's a question Fibonacci found the answer to during his life. If 2 new rabbits are born in a pen, how many rabbits will be produced after a year? There's a few conditions to this. They always reproduce male and female. They reproduce every month. They reproduce starting at 1 month, and they never die. In the beginning of the first month, the newborns are too young to reproduce, so we begin the second month with the same 1 pair. Now, at the end of the second month, they are mature enough to mate. As a result, 1 new pair is born. At the beginning of the third month, there is a total of 2 pairs. The originals mate again, but the new pairs do not. the original pair produces another pair of offspring. So at the beginning of the 4th month, we have a total of 3 rabbits, the original, the newest, and the first pair, which are now adults. 2 pairs mate, and they can produce another pair. Given a total of 5 pairs begins at the 5th month. Now 3 pairs can mate, so at the 6th month, we are a total of 8 pairs. At this point, the sequence is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. This is Fibonacci sequence. The rule for solving any sequence using Fibonacci sequence is xn equals x of n minus 1 plus x of n minus 2.
A cool fact about the Fibonacci sequence is that the spiral can fit onto Donald Trump's head. So now you know.
Okay, so this is a really cool trick that you can do with Fibonacci numbers. Okay, so pick any 2 numbers, right? The bigger one on top, the smaller one on the bottom, and don't tell me.
Okay.
Alright, now sum up those 2 numbers and write that number below.
Okay.
Now continue to do this until you have 10 numbers written down.
Got it. Done.
Alright, now let me see. The sum of these numbers is 990.
How'd you know?
Alright, so you look for the 7th number, you multiply that number by 11. There's a quick way to multiply it by 11, which you can learn in another Math Rocks video.
The golden spiral originated from the idea that Fibonacci's numbers and sequence are related to the golden ratio. The golden spiral is a logarithmic spiral whose growth factor is the golden ratio. For every quarter turn it makes, the golden spiral
Even today, Fibonacci is still relevant to our society. We use him in many things, for example, when we're interpreting trends and stocks. He also appears in many pieces of artwork throughout this world.
Fibonacci, he was really good at math. Sometimes he would even take a bath. His most famous work was the Fibonacci sequence. Even today it still makes a lot of sense. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and some more. Good thing he was a good mathematician, or else he'd be so poor. Fibonacci, 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 Fibonacci.
Oh, hi there again! So, today we learned about what a great mathematician Fibonacci was and why we still follow his lead today. Join us next week where we talk about how great Mr. Salvaggio is and how wonderful his thinking questions are. Thank you. Math adventure. Cheers!
You don't need to know this. Math is stupid. I'm gone.
Around, he's in the pine cones. So, do you want to see an example?
No.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do a quick example, guys. So,
My hand is raised.
yes, Anna?
Why do we need to know this?
No, yeah, let's do an example. Okay, guys, we're gonna do Fibonacci. Woo!
I don't like that.